Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So last class we have been discussing about chapter 8 factors and multiples, in that exercise 8C. So let's discuss the homework answers first. Find the LCM of the following set of numbers using division method, in that F. Okay, so you will get the LCM of 25, 50, 55 and 110. It is 550. Okay, next G, 26, 39, 65, 52. You will get the LCM 780. Then H, 12, 15, 18 and 21. You will get the LCM 3780. Our next topic is relation between HCF, LCM and the numbers. So you have one formula and this is the relation between HCF, LCM and the numbers. Okay, so LCM into HCF equal to product of the numbers. So if you find the LCM of two numbers and HCF of two numbers given and finding their product, that will be equal to, that is LCM into HCF will be equal to the product of the numbers. Okay, next LCM of two numbers equal to their product by their HCF. If two numbers are given, you can find their product and you can find their HCF also. Okay, if you have the product of the numbers and the HCF, you can find the LCM of the numbers by using this formula. LCM of two numbers equal to their product of the numbers by HCF of the numbers. Okay, similarly HCF of two numbers you can find by this formula, that is their product by their LCM. Okay, so HCF of two numbers equal to their product by their LCM. LCM of two numbers equal to their product by their HCF. Now, LCM into HCF by one number equal to the other number. That is, LCM and HCF of two numbers you are finding. Among that, one number will be given. And LCM and HCF of two numbers will be also given. Okay. Then you can find the other number using this formula. Okay, if LCM, HCF of two numbers is given and also one number among the two number is given, you can find the other number using this formula. LCM into HCF by one number equal to the other number. Exercise 8D. First question, find HCF and LCM of the following numbers. So A 576 and 1440. So here either you find HCF or find LCM. Okay, two numbers are given. You can find anyone you find first, HCF or LCM. So let's find HCF first. Okay, HCF we can find by division method. You know division method. HCF of 576 and 1440 you can find by division method. 1440 you can divide by 576. You will get 2. 576 into 2, it is 1152. Okay, now subtracting, you will get 288. Okay, so now what to do? This divisor will become the new dividend and remainder will become the divisor. Okay, 576 divided by 288. So 288 into 2, it is 576. So you got the remainder 0. So what is the HCF of 576 and 1440? It is 288. Last divisor. 288. Okay, HCF equal to 288. Now you need to find the LCM. So we have one formula, LCM of two numbers equal to their product by their HCF. So here you need to find the LCM of 576 and 1440. So in order to find that, first find their product. So what will be the product of 576 and 1440? Just multiply 576 into 1440 divided by what you got there, HCF. HCF we got 288. So 288. Okay. LCM of two numbers. Here two numbers are 576 and 1440. So you can find that by this formula, that is their product by their HCF. Their product you can find by multiplying that two numbers by their HCF. We find it now 288. Now 288 into 2, it is 576. So you can cut this. 576 divided by 288, it is 2. Now 2 into 1440, it is 2880. So LCM, it is LCM of, this is LCM of 576 and 1440, it is 2880. Next B, 496 and 1116. So first you can find the HCF of 496 and 1116 by division method. Any method you can use. Let us use here division method. Okay, so 1116 divided by 496. So 496 into 2, it is 992. Okay, now subtracting, you will get 124. So next step it is, this 496 will become the new dividend and this remainder will become the new divisor. Okay, divide 496 by 124. So 124 into 4, it is 496. So remainder you got 0. Therefore HCF of 496 and 1116 equal to what you got, the last divisor. Here it is 124. So 124. So HCF we found. So now we find the HCF of 496 and 1116. That is, you got it 124. Okay. Next you need to find the LCM of 496 and 1116. So you can use this formula. Okay. If their HCF is known, you can find the LCM of two numbers by this formula. So LCM of 496, LCM of 496 and 1116 you need to find. So their product. So 496 into 1116 by their HCF. You find it now. That is 124. Okay. So 496 into 1116 by 124. 496 by 124. You can cancel. It is 4 times. Okay. So 4 into 1116. You will get 4464. So this is the LCM of 496 and 1116. C, 270 and 450. So you can find the HCF of 270 and 450 by division method. So first divide 450 by 270. You will get 270 into 1, it is 270. Now remainder you will get 180. So after this what to do? The divisor will become the dividend and remainder will become the divisor. That is divide 270 by 180. Again you will get 180 into 1, 180. 90 you will get the remainder. Okay. So next step, this divide 180 by 90. Okay, that is divisor will become the dividend and remainder will become the divisor. So 180 by 90 you will get 90 into 2, 180. Remainder it is 0. So the HCF of 270 and 450, it is the last divisor, 90. Okay, so HCF of 270 and 450 you got 90. Now you need to find the LCM of 270 and 450. So you have one formula, LCM of two numbers equal to their product by their HCF. Okay, so what is the product of 270 and 450? Just multiply 270 into 450 divided by their HCF. We got here 90. So 270 by 90, it is 3. Now 3 into 450 you will get 1350. So LCM of 270 and 450 it is 1350. Now do the first question D, E and F as homework. Second question, the LCM and HCF of two numbers are 720 and 5 respectively. If one of the two numbers is 45, find the other number. So here LCM of two numbers, it is given 720 and HCF of that two numbers, it is given 5. Okay, and one of the two numbers, in that among the two numbers, one number it is 45. You need to find the other number. What is the second number you need to find? Okay, so we have one formula, LCM into HCF by one number equal to the other number. Okay, so we can substitute in this LCM, HCF and one number. It is given in the question. Okay, so LCM it is 720. Okay, into HCF it is given 5 divided by one number it is given 45. So that is equal to the other number. Okay. Now for 5 and 45, both will go in 5. 5 into 1 it is 5. 5 into 9 it is 45. Now 720 divided by 9. You can divide it. It is 80. Okay. So 80 into 1 you got 80. So this is the other number. Other number is 80. Okay. Third question. The LCM of 576 and 128 is 1152. Find the HCF. So here LCM is given. You need to find the HCF. Okay. So we have one formula. HCF of two numbers equal to their product by their LCM. Okay. If LCM is given, you can find the HCF of two numbers using this formula. Okay. So HCF of what you need to find here? HCF of 576 and 128 equal to their product. Product of these two numbers it is 576 into 128 divided by their LCM. It is given in the question LCM, it is 1152. Now 1152 will go in 576. Okay, so 576 into 1 it is 576, and 576 into 2 it is 1152. Okay, so next 128 you can divide by 2. You will get 64. Okay, 128 by 2 it is 64. Now HCF will be 1 into 64, that is 64, equal to 64 you will get the HCF. Okay, HCF of 576 and 128 it is 64. So this much for this class. Thank you.